Hello guys, welcome to the Diverse channel and compliment to every one of us out there. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and of course this strategy is very effective. Okay, and again, if you are a forex trader and you want to trade with the best forex broker, I will leave the link in the description down below so you can sign up with this broker and have a $30 no deposit bonus for you to start your trading journey. Okay, if you make money with this $30 deposit no deposit bonus, then they are going to give you the profit that you make from this $30 no deposit bonus. Okay, so you can check the broker out. I will leave the link in the description below down below. Okay, so I'm going to dive into how the strategy works, settings for the strategy, and how you can make use of the strategy to make your own money. Okay, so the aim of this video is to give you guys the strategy you can use to catch 10 to 20 candles in boom and crash PS. Okay, so follow me to the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also post notification anytime I post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is just to add up our indicator, and to do that we click on this icon right here. We are seeing at the top right here. Okay, so when you click on this icon, it's going to direct you to where you're going to add your first indicator up. So the first indicator is going to be the moving average. Okay, so at the way this moving average up, what we have to do is to click on this F icon right here. We search for moving average and these are the parameters. Now the period is 8, shift is 1, method is exponential, apply to low, and for the style use any color of your choice and click on save. Okay, so that is the settings for the moving average. Now moving on to the next one, which is the Bollinger Bands. So at the way this up again, we click on this F icon right here. We set for Bollinger Bands and just the parameters. Now the period is 4, the deviation is 0.400, shift is 1, apply to previous indicators data, and for the style use any color of your choice and click on save. Okay, so that is for the Bollinger Bands. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the stochastic oscillator. At the way this up, we click on this F icon again. We set for stochastic oscillator and this is the parameters. Now we don't need the parameters of the stochastic oscillator right here. What we need is the levels, which is very important. We need levels to be 20 and the 80 levels, of course, use any level choice, and go back, then click on save. Okay, so that is the stochastic oscillator settings. Now moving on to the next indicator, which is going to be the Ichimoku. So at where this Ichimoku up, we have to click on this indicator window 1F plus. We search for Ichimoku and these the parameters. Now the declination is 5, the Kijunsen is 4, the Spambi is 2, apply to price build, and we only need a Kenshin cut style. Okay, so once we add everything up, we click on save, and that is the settings you need for this strategy. Okay, so let me now teach you guys how the strategy works. So it's going to be a quick and very easy one. Okay, so if you are to use this strategy, this is what you have to do to get an entry with this strategy. The first thing you have to wait for is your line, with your red line right here, to be at the 80 levels, which is very important. So when the line is at the 80 levels, then the next thing you have to wait for is your main chart confirmation. Okay, we don't just jump in when we see our indicator window one setup. We wait for the right confirmation for entries. And what is the right confirmation? We first expect to see that the first line right here, which is the purple line, should cross below all the remaining green line. Okay, which is very important. After we see the crosses, we are now expecting to see that the candle is closing below the lines. After they cross each other, we have to wait for the candle to close below the lines. Okay, so this is what we are looking for before we take entries. So after we confirm that a candle has closed below the lines and the purple line cross below the green lines, then the next thing we are waiting for is another 3 candles or 4 candles before we can decide to take an entry. Now, which means that we wait for this first candle, the second candle, the third candle, and the last candle. So after this candle, we enter our trade right from this candle right here. Okay, so we enter our trade from the candle that is this candle right here. So that is the candle we are now going to enter our trade from, and we target our 10 candles, and you can see the price move even more than 50 candles into our direction. Okay, so that is how it works on this strategy. And for the zoom level, before I forget, we are using the 4th zoom level. Okay, when you zoom out completely, you are zooming 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is the zoom level we are going to be using. Okay, so jumping to another index, which is going to be the crash 500. Okay, so I'm going to use crash 500 as an example for you guys. Okay, so let's wait for the chart to load up. Okay, so let's look for crash 1000 then. Okay, so this is crash 1000 right here. Let's look for another trading setup. Now, as I told you guys already, the first thing we are waiting for is our indicator window 1 to be at the 20 levels, which is very important. Yeah, the line has to come to the 20 levels. After we see that the line comes to the 20 levels, we are now waiting for the line to move back inside the range of the 80 and 90 levels, which is move back inside the range right here. So after we see the move back inside the range, then the next thing we are looking for is a candle close. Okay, it's a candle close above the line, and we also want to wait for the line to cross each other, which happens right at this spot. So after the line cross each other and the candle close above the lines, then we are now going to wait for another 4 candles, which is this candle, and this candle right here. So after this candle right here, we enter our trade either from this candle right here or this candle right here. So that is the candle is going to be our entry, and we target 20 to 30 candles, and then we close our position. Sometimes this trade may give you 10 candles, just accept it, take your candles and leave the chart. Okay, so what I want to do is to backdate the strategy and figure out how the strategy is going to make your own trading style. Okay, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime I post new strategy. You guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.